Hello and good evening or good afternoon or good morning to all the planner mums and all the glam mums. Hope you all are doing well. All my subscribers, welcome to my channel. If you have just stepped in, this is my part 2 of my Erin Condren launch haul. And this is the Erin Condren recently had a launch for the planner for the 2021. So I have got a couple of things. I have already posted one video. If you will go into my channel, I also have put the link for that, so you can watch that haul as well. You will enjoy it. Has the mask, the pop socket in flower power, and some more accessories. You can go and have a look at that if you're interested. And this haul will have basically everything about the life planner, what things I have bought, some of the things, how we use it, and so on. It will be an honest review. And as it says, is Erin Condren really worth the money that you spend on? I will talk to you about it at the end. So let's begin, not to waste too much of your time. So to start with, this is something I'd shown you in previous as well, the snap in dashboard. You can see this is how you can snap it in, and this is how it looks like with lovely flower embellishments. See, beautifully done, and it is rose gold foiled. You can just use it in your planner. I'll show you my current, how I use it. So for me, the current one that I use is basically I put the breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner for my baby girl, and at the back I write down whatever is the grocery. You just pop it in, and then that's it, and then you're all set and you can use it. For me, this would definitely be for my next planner, so it will be kept there in my planner. So this is how it looks like. Following by it, the next thing is this lovely post-it from Flower Power, and you can see how beautiful these are. Again, these, how many post-its they are total? 180 post-its. This is how, look at how beautiful. I mean, I don't want to throw any of these. This is nice. You can write something like a beautiful quote and keep it like a decoration. This is how the Flower Power post-its are. Lovely. I love these side ones. This is how you can use it. I'll just show you how to use one of them. So this is my spread. I'll just show it to you. Women's Day. It just fits perfectly. Of course, it's a little open on the side, so you can just put a glue or something and it will be set. So this is the Flower Power post-its. I really use it for pre-planning. Sometimes I use them as stickers. I just put a little glue and it works well. And look at these decorations, beautifully done. I love these post-its, and I think they stick better as well than the previous ones. I have the kaleidoscope and the painted petals, and this is my third post-it, designer post-it. Also, I got it in waves because I really like the wave deck, the layout as well. These are the pastel, neutral, and some of them are the colorful waves. This is again the packaging in which the waves came in. You can also put it in your life planner, but I don't put it because when you write it, it's sometimes like, you know, you can feel it's all there. But this is how it is. See all these post-its. So these are again the same one, 180, 150, like that. And followed by, let me show you the bookmark. So these are the mini snap-in bookmarks. This is the first time I have bought them. I never have purchased any bookmarks earlier other than the ones that I used for my novels, and for my petite planners. So you can segregate. This is, I got it in Flower Power. I should have bought vase also, so which I could use it next year. It has some kind of a glue thing sticking. Yeah, which I can remove later. But what you basically do is whichever page you want to mark, you just put it there. For me, for mostly it will be for my monthly calendar, wherever it is. I would be putting one there and one on my daughter's birthday, and one will be like moving with me. So because I already have this as a bookmark, so these are the three. Again, you can see the beautiful flowers again. Yeah, I wish I knew all the flowers names. Yeah, so it would be very nice if they would have had these flower names embedded. It would be really nice, so at least we could have known all the flowers. The next is this Live a Life layered in colors. This is the sticker book. These are all the sheets that they have, 529 stickers. And look how beautiful, how they are, look how the color is looking, colorful layers. Live a Life layered in colors. Have you what it you have what it takes. This is your year. Sorry, this thing is still stuck. This is your year. Again, these page ribbons, dinner plans, important shopping lists. These beautiful washies, so you can use it like this. For example, I will just remove one of it. These are very like delicate, so you just need to handle it with care. Yeah, see, it looks like this, and then maybe you can just stick it here or wherever you like. You can stick it in your planner. So these are all the washes. This is like paper material, and more of like a paper texture. These are all the to do, love. These are lovely page flags which you can write down. Again, these are these transparent stickers. ASAP now. Here. ASAP, yay, look at these. Followed by these, such a good day. Oh yeah, you can put down anything you like. This can be written, plan on it, the best. To-dos, me time, hello weekend, note, appointments, hello weekend, vacay. These are all the washes, long weekend, it's weekend, busy weekend, vacation, fun trip, all these icons. This, look at these. Again, all these page flags in different colors. This gift labels. Again, hearts. These lovely washies. Oh my god, they are so beautiful. Yeah, look at these, lovely. You are capable of amazing things. Again, some quotes, and I like that they have left some blank as well, so we can fill up our own quotes we like. So these are around, as I mentioned to you, 529 stickers. So life lived in color. The next is live a life layered in colors. Find beauty in every day. Sticker books, again 525 color stickers. And these are all the stickers at the back that are inside. Almost similar but with floral prints. And of course the quotes are different. Make it happen. Do it with all your heart. Dream. Be your own kind of beautiful. Again, some beautifully foiled, silver foiled shopping list. Important. I think now my next will be definitely during the Black Friday. If I win something from EC, if somebody is watching, definitely I would like to review about this. I would definitely grab that opportunity. But other than that, definitely during Black Friday, or maybe in September, friends and family sale. Either of that, I will do the next haul to do. And again, these page flags, beautiful flower, gold, rose gold. Again, these are all those transparent stickers, but you can write down something and stick that on top. Wow, plan on it. This is beautiful. Oh, happy day, in the moment, note to self. Again, lots of these useful. These washes, again, weekend, busy weekend, in the weekend, long weekend, so on, vacation, fun trip, vacation, all with flowers. That's the difference with these. Look at this, so beautiful. Again, lots of flowers and hearts, and this is gorgeous. This washi tape, they should have 2 pages, so at least we can put it for both the whole week, no, in our planner. Yeah, but see, beautiful again. Have courage and be kind. Head up, gorgeous. So much to do. It's a plan. So this is the second sticker book that I got, and you have already seen the cover that I picked up for myself. This is the layers cover. My daughter had just come in the room, so I was not able to show you, but see how beautiful. I love this layers cover. It's like very, when you look at it, it's like very, like, you know, if you feel at peace by looking at it. The neutral one is also very pretty. Alright guys, so another thing, now my next video will be on the 21st of this month, not on the 14th, because I will be posting 2 videos. That is, I post every Thursday, so the 7th is a Thursday. That video I've just posted today, and again I'll be posting this maybe tonight or tomorrow, and so that will be for the 14th. So the next one will be the 21st, so I would be posting the next video on the 21st. So just would like to let my subscribers know I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going to take a break, because still I would be pre-shooting things, but I would be taking like a week haul, because I have recorded 2 videos back to back. Right, so now this is another, this I had shown you already. This I've kept it for my the new planner, the sticker sheets. This is the kaleidoscope one, so I will use it for my planner. And now finally I have to show you, what I need to show you is the most beautiful thing. Before, I got 2 of each. So these are the washi tapes. If you have seen the neutral and the, look how they look. See, this is the neutral, sorry, this is the neutral, and this is the colorful. This is how they look, and how they look in, I got 2 of each because I knew I would definitely be using a lot of it, because I don't decorate my planner too much, but I use a little color. See, I'll show you how, this is how the colorful looks like. See, gorgeous, right? How pretty that is. And this is how the neutral looks like. Yeah, beautiful again. So this is just my baby's whole schedule. This is my niece's birthday is coming, so I've just put some decorations. Mother's Day on the 10th. This is just my planner, like daily task, prayer, and baby. I'm planning to start scheduling what I'm going to teach her about the flashcards and so on. So this is just my daily spread that I do weekly. Every Sunday I work on it, and then daily, if I don't finish a task, I move it to the next day, and so on. So this is my present planner. And now for the thing we have been waiting for, the life planner, the most beautiful planner for the year 2021, which I picked up now because of, not only because of the clutch, because I had the 20% discount. Also, I wanted to review it earlier, and I wanted to buy a couple of the sticker books earlier. I don't know. Now, Black Friday is a very busy time, so I'm not sure if that time how much busy. So that's the time I'll just buy supplies. This is the box that it comes in. This is the planner. Yeah, and this is how it comes in this box. I will definitely use this box for my storage, as I have my kaleidoscope one also. But now I'll just show you. This is how the planner looks like. Sorry about that. This is Best Is Yet To Come, My Life with BBS, and that's how I got the rose gold, because my first one was the first time I was trying Erin Condren. I like the platinum one as well, but the rose gold is something I really love the color. I even got the back of it is cherry blossom, the color, the flower power. Best Is Yet To Come, My Life with BBS, my channel name. So all planners again come with this lovely welcome to the Erin Condren family. A small thing, she's like says hello to everybody and tells you about if you be the insider and so on. It comes with the gift label for your gift label. I'm saying the box label. You can just put it like this and put down whichever year it was. The planner is for storage purposes. Definitely that's how I would be storing it. It also comes with 2 cards. Yeah, this is the 20% off cards. I would definitely be using it, so I've just kept it like this. Also, it comes with the enjoy our gifts to you. What things are there in this? There is a label, gift label. There is this enjoy again for the gift. Also, it comes with this what do they call this? They call it as a compliment cards. They come with 3. You lift me up, your potential is endless, I'm so proud of you. These are nice cards to give to your people or any of your friends and so on. How I use it, I'll show you. For me, I have right now for my for me, I just put it here. For now I put these 3, and now I think these other 3 will go again here. You can give it to any of your friends and all as well, like a lift me up kind of a thing. Yeah, and I'm so proud of you. So this is how I would be. I've just stored them right now. Yeah, in my petite planner. My next video is going to be about my petite planner, so if you're interested, please do follow me in Instagram, and please do subscribe to this channel, because now I have done a lot of hauls. Now how I use my planners is something I will be showcasing in my future videos. So if that is something interested, please have a look. Also, I will be posting a lot in my Instagram, so you can have a look. So best is yet to come. When you open the life planner, this is how it is. This is the dashboard page again, but mostly I don't like to write down on the dashboard page of the planners. Life planner vertical layout. This is how it is. This is my life. It comes with this nice beautiful vellum page. See? Yeah, see how beautiful it is with all these flowers. Life planner vertical layout. This is my life. Have enough courage to start and enough heart to finish. Again with lots of month. I also will have a video about my life planner, how I'm doing, what I'm doing at the moment. December plan with me's. So it has from July 2020 to December 2021. Though mine is only a 12-month planner, but it still has. Right. Again, new beginning, new mindset, new focus. You can use it for different purposes. This time I'm using it for a monthly prayer, but let's see next month, next year, how I would be using it. All right, and there it begins again. You, wherever you are, be all there, be all there. So January 21 with a beautiful turquoise. Now the page will open to the calendar, straight to the calendar month. Before, if you would open the page, like for example, you would go to April, it will go like this. It will reach the dashboard page, and then when you turn it, you will see the April calendar. But now it's not like that. It will be like, you know, when as you open the page, April, you will be in the calendar, which I like so much better. So then January 2021, I think many of the people have already done the flip through of this. So again, you can use this page. For me, I use it for my content. For this page, I'm using it as like, you know, what movies I'm going to watch, or what TV am I watching, what anything success. I'll just show you my layout. It's very simple. Entertainment, watching, reading, learning, what things. And this is how I put my 0. This is my present tracker, monthly goal, birthdays, any like 0 expense tracking. I have a quote. Last month I did something else, I put a quote there. I write down, I change it, and then this I had a note to myself, this month looks like. So something like entertainment and so on. This and then it keeps going. Yeah, and then see, they've given you a couple of days for December. What I like now, I can pre-plan. I can start putting some of the stickers when I have some time on my hand. I can start working on my planner, so I'm ready for my January already. Yeah, when I'll do the flip through of my planner for this year, you will see that I have already started posting for December and so on. Weekly spreads I do on week basis, but other things like the big decorations, mostly I do it earlier in the monthly pages. The rest I do on the weekly basis. Now this one again is like, here you have, I use for my YouTube content. You can use it as a note, you can use it as a gratitude page. It's all up to you how you want your planner to be. For me, now I'm using it as like YouTube content planning and ideas. So I put down, now this Thursday and the 14th I already will post it. So this is how I use this page as. Alright. Again, when you open February, all the dates are here. Lovely flower work. If you will see, I'll show you how February in this planner looks like. Yeah, February here. It's the only thing is the month will open somewhere else. All that things are there, so you can see how. What I liked honestly to talk about. See, this is February in Kaleidoscope. For me, I had not received my planner on February. Like I received it at the end of Feb, so I was not able to decorate it much. I use these pages now for just pen test and so on for trials. But see how the February color is. In the Kaleidoscope, it was more colorful. I feel, look at these. This they have like this. This is also a good color, but this shading nobody likes honestly, but for me I love the shading. I liked it. I like to look at something different. Now this page again I use mostly for I'll just show you. I use it again for my YouTube planner. So now this is for my May spread for the monthly. I put like every Thursday I post YouTube, my husband's off, and latest Monday I do the recording. Every Tuesday I edit, every Wednesday I make the thumbnail. I have to try pre-recording a week. So this is how I use this sidebar. So for me it was good, even if it was colored. I liked it. All right, now when you open, again the same, you can use it again. You can have various ideas. Once I do for this month, then I would have maybe next month I'll show you my life planner and what I'm doing with it. And February looks like this here. It's quite nice, colorful. Again, luckily there is no calendar like this. We don't need this calendar mostly every day. We don't want to look at the calendar, right? So here is this calendar. Now we don't have, so I can put my daughter's schedule the whole day easily in one side. But if you see, there is no line like this here. There is no line like that. The colors are a little bit lighter than in this. In this the colors were so much darker, but here the colors are very light. Spacing is almost the same. All life planners are. These boxes are a little bit thicker, which I really like, because when you write, like when I put the to-dos, it's coming out. It comes out right. Now this is a little bit more thicker, so it is definitely going to be beautiful like that. All right, so this is again February. All right, the whole of February goes like this. From March I will be flipping around. So did we read what was Feb? Do it with all your heart. Change your thoughts and change the world. So now again it goes from Monday to Sunday, the calendars. Yeah, I like it that way. Wednesday here, October. And then after that, here once you're done with December, then you have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 pages, which is quite good, notes pages, so you can use it for various purposes. I'll show you what I use my pages for. So my present pages, you can see, again, as I mentioned, I've already started decorating a little bit. I would show you my planner once this is my daughter's birthday, once I start putting it more. All right, for now I'll show you here. Once it ends, then it's about, I use a little bit for my whatever I'm planning to do, yeah, for my budgeting, but this didn't work out. And then some pen tests, and then again what are the rough work for my budgeting, so on, I use it, yeah. And my daughters, we have a life insurance for, so that plan, so on. Then books I read, which is not happening. This is again for coloring. So before, you see, there were a lot of other pages for different activities. Weight loss tracker, which again I'm not using. I would rather like the plain notes that they are given, which is more user friendly. People can use it as rough work, making notes and so on. So I really like this thing that they're done. Let's keep in touch. This is a nice thing they do, but I've not used it, so let's keep in touch. Then again, this is very good for pre-planning. When you're moving into your next planner for 2022, you have all of this important things you can put down, like all your premium when you need to do the payments and so on. Yeah, so this is quite nice as well. Grow through what you go through. And then again, these beautiful stickers are there, which I already bought an extra sheet, which I will be using it for this planner, for my kaleidoscope, the 2021. See, to do this week, again it has a lot of habit trackers, my favorite, happy birthdays, and these lovely labels, which I really use a lot. Yeah, I really use a lot. When I say I use a lot, I really mean it. See, if you see my planner, it's already getting over, and this is just April, right? So I use it for my weekly spread, anything to flag. So this is the one that I got for the kaleidoscope, which I would be keeping for this planner. All right, and see, again it keeps going like this, and then they have a lovely pocket where you can put stuff easily. Now my kaleidoscope pocket, I have been using it for something else. I use it for putting my stickers. I took it out, yeah. And then this is the perpetual calendar. I'm not sure what I'll do with this perpetual calendar, because my last perpetual calendar has all the important people's birthdays. So let's see, maybe a word a day. In 2021, I will start every day. I would put a word and a new word that I would learn, and I would write down the word and what it means. So for 365 days, I would definitely be I would learn a word. So because if you keep buying these life planners, all of them will keep coming with these perpetual, so you can utilize it the way you want. My first one, the kaleidoscope one, I use it only for having my birthdays and so on. Yeah, this one was the kaleidoscope one. This was my first life planner, so all birthdays for the whole family and everybody's is there. I write down, and I use it for when I move in. When I'll move into this planner officially, I would definitely have a video on that as well. So plan for tomorrow and celebrate today. So this, for the moment, this will just be here. All right, so for the moment, this will be here, this will be here, because I would not be using any of these for the moment. Also, these sticker sheets also would be here. Okay, thank you once again for all of you for sticking so long. If you've been watching this video all the way till here, might as well just subscribe to my channel, support my channel. It really means a lot to me, and thank you for taking your valuable time to watch this. At this time when things are uncertain, the only thing that is certain is how we react to things. Yeah, so stay positive, stay happy. We have we are very lucky, and we are quite we are quite lucky that we have so many things. There are people who are suffering more than us, so just stay positive, help people how much you can. What you can do in your own small way, in your own small world, do it, because every drop of water makes the mighty ocean. So same way, every small deeds that you do for people, it all adds up. So never stop helping people. Better days will definitely come, as my planner says, best is yet to come. Keep that faith, have faith in God. Always remember God's way is the best way, and He will guide you. So now for the big question, is Life Planner really worth it? Worth the money? Is Erin Condren brand really worth it? And I would say definitely a big yes. I have reasons for it. First reason, the products are superb. This is something you're using every day of your life. Every day you plan your day. Every day you feel so much in control. I'm telling you, from the time I've started using the planner this way, I used to do it before when I used to work, and even last year I used to do it for my fitness log, and I used to write down in my diary even daily my baby what time she eats. I would put it in my notes. It would be everywhere. But from the time I discovered her in February, my life has become much more in control. I've become more productive again. So when I say productive, means I get to spend time with my daughter more. I feel more at peace. I know next day what I'm going to cook for her. I know what I'm going to cook for myself. I know how my day is going to be when the laundry is, and so on. At home, these small things really help us out. Also, if any big meeting for my husband, sometimes my husband will just tell me, baby, just remind me to send this message or mail. I just write it down, so it becomes easier. So what you spend for productivity, what you spend for your peace of mind is priceless. So definitely the money wise, it's worth buying this product is good, customer service is good. If you contact them in Facebook, anywhere, they will reach out to you right away. Thirdly, they have a very big community. Even in Instagram, I follow Amanda's favorite, Plan with Laken, Plan Sarah Plan. These are amazing ladies. There is one for the homeschooling. She's the best. Jane, her name is. There are so many. Jen's Plan, and there are quite many of them. This one, I forgot her name. I mentioned in the last time. Jane McIntosh. She is the homeschooling mom of kids. She has been homeschooling them for 20 years. So she really guides her vlogs about homeschooling. So now many of us are sitting at home. We are going to be being teachers for our kids. I think with this pandemic happening around, we all have become homeschooling moms, right? So she guides. It's a very good community. So you get to learn new things. You get to improve your. There is one other lady called Sarah Murray, very good in budgeting. So you get to learn new things. You get to learn about budgeting. You get to learn about planning, organizational skills. So it's definitely a learning part for you. So that part is also amazing. Fourth is the shipping. They ship internationally. The shipping is not expensive. It is $20, of course, and for me here in Qatar, we pay another $10 for the customs. In Europe, it is very expensive, because many of my European friends in the community, they say it's so expensive because of the taxes. Luckily in the Middle East, we don't get taxed. In India, again, there'll be taxes, but I think the pricing would be still manageable. Again, if try buying stuff during the warehouse sale. That's when I mostly got all my things. Warehouse sale, when I had the coupon. When I buy my Life Planner, I get 2 coupons. Use those coupons. During Black Friday, they have a 30% discount. With that, you can top up the 20%, so 50% discount you would have. If you use the friends and family sale, which is little again 25% discount, you can use that. So there are a lot of sales as well, so buy during that time. So it is cheaper than what I buy stuff here for. And then again, it's all your passion, what you do, what you spend your money on. It's up to you. And for me, this gives me peace. This gives me to my creative part. It lets me come out. More than that, my daughter, she sees me every day doing this. She's inquisitive, because they say teach them young. Child, she'll just see what I'll be doing. She started saying book. She says pen, like that. So small things. When she sees me doing things, she gets curious, and I would teach her. So she will learn how about time management and so on in future. So there are a lot of like, you know, good things about this. I can talk for a long time about how good the planning and how fun it is to use this, but I would just say it's worth the money, it's worth the hype, it's worth, if you can always join their Facebook page for just to get an idea about the community and about things that is happening. You can follow my Instagram and the mentioned Instagrams of the people I mentioned, so you see how things are being done, and then live your best life. Yeah, you get only one life, you're lucky to live. Make the best use of your life, take care of yourself, and thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful day, afternoon and evening. Take care, and thank you.